Hey guys, welcome back here. And today we'll be talking about the price prediction for dogs. Now, dogs has been in the news for the past few hours because of this massive rise here. Dogs has reached a total price about 0.000 1980, and a lot of people have been asking. We talk about dogs. What do we think about the price? Is it going to keep going higher or is it going to just drop at some point? Now, before we dive into dogs, let's quickly get into the news for dogs because most times the news of these cryptos affect the price. Now, first of all, this is CoinMarketCap, and you can see a lot of the community think that the price of dogs will go down. You can see 60% of the market think the price of dogs will go down, and this is about 160,000 votes. So you have to be very, very careful if you are trading dogs. This pumping price might just be a little bit temporarily about it's just about a temporary price. We can see from here. Now, if you go dive into dogs chart, you can see that dogs has actually reached a total price of about almost 1991, but it has come down to a price of 1949. Now, this is because there's a very strong resistance at this level, and I'm going to draw that line for you, especially for those friends who would like to trade dogs. I'm going to help you understand what is going on and what will happen to dogs in the nearest future. Now, this is the resistance level for dogs, and this is where the resistance is very, very strong. So this means that it will be a lot more difficult for the price of dogs to break above 2000 for now. Now we can actually see that if the price of Bitcoin gets higher, but trust me, this is a very strong resistance level because we can see that happening here on the 2nd of March. We can also find that happening here on the 21st of February, and then we can see the same thing happening here on the 14th of February, another one here on the 4th of February. Now, in none of these cases, the dog breakout. Dog has find it difficult to break out this level of 2000 since the 4th of February. So, chances are that it might not actually break out as we think. Of course, it might actually hit here and retrace downwards. Now, where will be the retracing point? Of course, we can look at the nearest support level for dogs, which is just about this level on this area. This is one of the most nearest support level for dogs. So this simply means that the price of dogs might just be trading along this zone. Might just be trading along this zone for now, then comes down to play again, because you can see 80% of the price action for dogs has happened below and not above. So yeah, it's a good thing to be happy for a dog, but of course understand that for now I think the price is just at its peak at this point and may certainly come down. You have to put that in mind, although other things can happen and the price can go up. All right, now coming back to core market cap to actually look at what is happening to dogs specifically. Okay, now you can look at the chart for dogs, and here the market cap for dogs keep increasing, and that is because major exchanges has listed dogs like Binance and other major exchanges. And definitely we think this is going to be a big project in the future, because if you look at the market cap for dogs, it has been increasing steadily. All right, market cap has been on a steady increase, and you can find as at just about like 2 days ago or 1 day ago, it was about 65, it was about 90 million, 90.2 million, and right now it's sitting at 100 million. So this is going to be a huge project for investors who actually want to keep dogs for a long time. This is good, but temporarily for traders, I think you have to be very careful, because yeah, why the market cap can be increasing, the price can also be decreasing. So you can see as at just yesterday, the volume for dogs was just around 61 million, which means nobody was trading dogs yesterday, and suddenly people just started buying. And of course, this is just a pump price, and I think the price might retrace a little bit. Right now the volume is around 107.43 million in trading volume, and this is actually nice. Okay, this is actually nice report. So but then many things like this have happened in the past, and we understand that a lot of people are excited for the pump, but please don't keep your hopes so high. Although I'll be bringing you a lot and a lot of price prediction for these cryptos so you can understand how to navigate your account and of course what to expect. So but for now, just understand that it may be difficult for dogs to break out this 2000 mark. Okay, it might actually bounce back and retrace each step, and this is just the 1 hour time frame. And then if you have to move into something bigger like a 4 hour time frame, you can actually see what is happening to dogs in reality. Okay, you can see the dogs coin is still far, still just very far behind. And I'm going to quickly zoom in so we can see what's going on here. Okay, and look, seeing what is going on here, I can tell you that this is cool. You can see a lot of the price action has been happening just down below this area. And if I'm going to move further, let's check out what this price is all about. So here we can find this is like the highest point dogs has been in a very long time, and I would advise you to take caution and don't put your hopes too high. Maybe since like the launching day, this is like the highest price it has been, and trust me, it will certainly retrace at some point, and maybe from here it might start finding its way up back here again at this point. Okay, so guys, this is what we have about dogs. You can come to the comment section and let us know the particular crypto you want me to analyze, and definitely I'm going to give you a report on that. See you on another one tomorrow, guys, and do have a very wonderful day.